I don't want your police husband to bust my head, you know.
He's not my husband. I am a free agent, sweetie.
Well, that's why I like to hear, you know. So what's me? When I get into a little kiss on that nice round bubble up, say call a boom girl. Hey!
That is all your man wants. Mountain coming up, you know.
So? So what happen if Mountain coming up?
Well, as I say, Mountain coming up. And I have to get things.
Who the ass is things like what, girl?
Groceries, money for bills, and spending money. You slow boy.
What? By your father out? Oh, nah. All that money for a little bit of sex? Your mother what? Why had a mind you?
Well, it's up to you, you know. I not begging. Not every man I know can get a taste of this. Especially for free.
Oh gosh, well. What can you get for $60? You know, the road hard today, you know.
Drive, don't bother, cause clearly you can't handle me.
Oh God, girl, oh God, help me out now, God. I can get on to himself, you know, in a recession. Let me take out the teeth now.
Wait, no man.
Boy, you know, so you handle it nice now, come here, girl.
Wait now.